everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my kit lineup for the month of March. This kit lineup is tentative. We know that I like to change my mind. So we will see. I am not super confident in anything that I have picked. Well, there are things that I'm like confident we're using this, but otherwise I'm like, I don't know. We'll see. So first things first, I am using a Printpression B6 planner. These are sticker sleeves from his shop as well. These are the old version, which are more like thicker. And I also do have my upcoming binder is the thinner sleeves. So I think those are like the newer ones. They're more affordable, and I actually like them better because they're like completely transparent. So same difference though. And then I have these stickers from my shop that you could purchase with the like week, and you can like mark what you're going to use in your planner. So first things first, this is the week that Hannah and I are going to Disney, and I am so excited. I am going to be using the Magic Bound kit, and I thought this would be perfect for like a girls trip to Disney World. And let's see what I have paired back here. I don't even remember. I bought this stuff so long ago to go with this kit. As far as extras go, I do have the extra color, the label sampler, because maybe there's going to be a lot of things going on with it being Disney. And then I also have the magical and regular doodles. The kit is still available. The extras are not. And then I did also, I don't know if I had these or if I picked them up specifically for this, but these are these spaceship underlays, and I thought that this might be fun. I feel like it's a little bit daintier, so I think that like maybe a floral would have been technically a better option. But I just think like this gives me Disney vibes, and well, it gives me Epcot vibes. So I'm going to do that. And then I also do have Avril in light blue and also in silver. I was thinking light blue initially, but I think I might just use the silver. I could use these other times, but I just really wanted to use this one, which is, hell yeah, I'm a mother effing princess. We both love Avril, and Princess is Disney. So very excited for that week. I'm sure I'll pull in more like Disney characters, Disney overlays and stuff. I just haven't paired anything with it, TBH, but I have a whole album of Disney. I went over this album before, so I'll probably just be going to the silver and grabbing a bunch of different things. We will see. I have headers, I have bottom washi overlay, I have quote boxes, I have full box overlays, we have more quotes, icons, scripts, all the things. And then back here I have all different characters and such. So I'm sure I'll go in here and do a little bit of shopping when the time it gets closer. Or maybe I could also pull up Park Hopper. I think that'd be cute too. I think Park Hopper might actually be my move for this one, Park Hopper. Park Hopper and Lavender Hollow would have been real pretty. Oh, now I'm having second thoughts on my life here. I can't tell any secrets of the fangs, but it would be a cute thing to do. And yeah, let me see. Park Hopper and Lavender Hollow. Ooh. Like, and then get like Hollow too and like mix it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna do to the do. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. That this is like really giving me where I want to go vibes. And then I think Park Hopper's in this one. See, sometimes things happen and we have visions and then we end up here, and you know, do I have Park Hopper in here? Oh yeah, right here. I'm like, where'd she go? Here she is. So we have this. We have this. I don't know what I'm going to do about the header overlays necessarily, but that could be like a game day decision. Because that is really pretty. I don't remember if I did. I'm trying to remember if I had hold on. Let me Google. Let me look at my binder. Oh, this is coming out. I could use this too. I'm just going to slap that in there because I have two. I always have two in my to be released because I feel like I could do this and then just mix in some of this. Oof. I'm going to need to reconfigure this situation though, which is fine because I could use these with a different Disney spread later, and then I'll probably just order these in another color because that's how I do. So I'll put those to the side because I'm vibing with Hollow Lavender Hollow mixed. I could order all that stuff from Hannah in, maybe I'll order, I don't know. We have decisions to make because I could order this in Hollow and then do Lavender Hollow Bougie underneath. Oh, God, there's so many. I think this is, I think that like goes. I think it gets me more excited about the kit than just silver. So we're going to stick with her. We're going to reorder everything because that's what I do. That's what I do. So we're doing that. Then I have the February Mystery, and I didn't really know when else I wanted to use this. TBH, it's like an anytime kit, but I love it. It's beautiful. Y'all loved it. And it came with the Shimmer, Shimmer Matte Bronze. And then it also came with this, which I'm going to add in, and then it came with that. And then I had these in my collection, which is the Half Circle and Matte Bronze from Hannah, and I thought that just read really well. I was going to buy something else, but I had them, and I was like, I don't know, I kind of think that it works. The only other thing I was thinking, like maybe a plaid. I think the plaid or like a floral would have been pretty, but honestly, I think that kind of goes with the vibe, so I'm going to just stick with that for this kit here. Then I have this. I am going to New York City to see two of my fave people, and that is, I didn't even pull anything out for this one. I'm the worst. Okay. I don't even know what I want to use with this though, TBH. Maybe I would, I don't know. Okay. So this is theater. I have like the doodles and then like I don't think we're going to see any of the kits. Hold on, let me see. So I wanted to see a show and like make like one really good dinner reservation, and that was all I really cared about too much. So I don't think we're seeing anything on here. So I'm going to just put those in my I don't need section. I did pull out the music notes. I already had these from Hannah, and I was like, I think that's really cute for this. So we have that. And then otherwise, I don't really know. I don't think I want to do like a fun foil or anything like that. Let me pull out my bag of tricks. And I'm thinking, honestly, maybe just silver. Like, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes there's just kits that give you, like, even like maybe the movie want to be cute. It's not really a movie though. Just give you silver vibes. So let me give a little flip through. I see what we have in here. Maybe honestly just a silver something, you know, silver twinkle, sparkle something, matte silver maybe. I don't know. No, I think it needs a shine. I think mixed metal also be pretty with this one. Like looking at, I'm thinking mixed metal. I feel like there's very few times, I mean, I think mixed metal goes with a lot of things. Hear me out. But I feel like whenever you have a kit that you can do mixed metal and you feel it, I feel like you should do it. So I'm thinking personally, ooh, the silver and sparkly hollow, that kind of looks expensive with it. Ooh, but wait a minute. That looks expensive. And it looks like bright shining lights of New York City. But also, I think that might be too much. Oh, this is the, or what about this? That's what I was thinking. I don't know. Like, this is looking expensive, which I really like it. I'm thinking executive decision. I'm thinking this. And also Jessica came up with this combo, which is sparkly hollow and silver. This looks like diamonds. And I like that for New York. All right, we're going to do that. Doing it. Settled. Done. That's it. Probably pull in a couple other random little things, but nothing crazy. It's also St. Patrick's Day. I don't care about it. As far as in my planner, I'll mark it. Okay, then we have the week of Chris's birthday. And Chris randomly, nonchalantly was like, I'm going to go to the rodeo for my birthday. And I was like, you want to? I'll check the dates. And it is, in fact, the time that the rodeo is here. So this is when the rodeo is in Austin. Well, this is when I initially was going to use it, but then he said he wanted to use it, and it's here till his birthday. So this gives me rodeo vibes because the rodeo is like the fair, basically. We don't go to like the actual rodeo, but maybe I'll ask him if he wants to actually go to the rodeo. I figured to make it more Texas and more rodeo, I did the cowboy. Okay. I did the cowboy underlays, and I think I'm gonna do the mixed metal. I was gonna do the shimmer, but I think that the, what is this, sparkle, like it's a little less whimsical, and I think that leans more into it being the rodeo, which is not very whimsical. I think we're gonna do mixed metal of sparkly hollow and champagne lights with this. We're gonna be doing back-to-back mixed metal, and that's good. I didn't pick like a gold with this one. I think that'll go really nicely here. So I love that for us, and that is Carnival for Chris's birthday. And then last but not least, I just threw this in here now. I'm not 100% sure. I have 3 different Easter kits, and I don't know why this one's speaking to me. I don't know if it's the pot I really love. Was it Le Creuset? I never say it right. I love the Modern House, and then the pancakes. I don't know. But I also have the other 2 sitting over here, like the other 2 kits that I released, and I'm like, I really just don't know. But I love the yellow in this too, and this like teal color. So, and I have foil coming, like I ordered it for the shop, that I think is going to go really nicely with this, but I also have tons of options. So I think this is going to be a game day decision. But that is everything for this month. A little chaotic, but that's the way we like it. So hope you all like this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.